Hello friends, in this session we are going to see the explanation of the remaining part of the text, an encounter of a special kind. So let's begin. So without losing any time, I gathered a stout stick in one hand and hurled a piece of stone at the marauding langur. What did the writer do? Without losing any time means immediately, without losing any time, immediately after that, the writer gathered a stout stick. He he took one stick in one hand and hurled a piece of, hurled means काय, भिरकावला एक असा, threw forcefully a piece of stone at the marauding langur. Marauding means what? Searching for something to steal or attack. Means हल्ला करण्यासाठी काहीतरी तो शोधात होता. तो मराउडिंग लंगूर, अटॅकिंग मूडमध्ये असलेला त्या लंगूरकडे त्याने ते भिरकावलं. द लंगूर वॉज सो इन्फिरिएटेड दॅट इट हार्डली टूक एनी नोटीस ऑफ माय असॉल्ट. असॉल्ट मीन्स अटॅक. द लंगूर वॉज सो इन्फिरिएटेड म्हणजे एक्स्ट्रीमली, ही बिकेम एक्स्ट्रीमली अँग्री अँड एनरेज्ड. भडकला तो त्याच्यावर. अँड ही डिड नॉट take any notice of the writer's attack or assault, but then I started throwing more stones. The dogs on their part raised their pitch of cry. So he continuously went on showering the stones at the monkey. And what happened, the dogs also at the same time help a lot. They created the chaos, and that in that commotion, what happened, they raised their pitch of cry. And suddenly these changed circumstances and the sudden unexpected attack from the unknown quarters forced the langur to drop the baby from the sloping roof of the veranda. Immediately this all condition changed. Even the crows also added in that. Even the dogs started barking. Their purpose was different, but at the same time writer also attacked on that langur. So the unexpected attack from the unknown quarters, it forced this change situation forced the langur to drop the baby from the sloping roof of the veranda. So to drop, underline this word, to drop. What is the function of this word? Yes, it is also infinitive. The baby was listless. Listless means what? Without any energy. It didn't have any energy. And it appeared to be dead. As its body started to slide down from from that roof, the excitement of the pack of the dogs grew manifold at the prospect of a good kill and meal. They wanted to eat that. They wanted to have it was their as if ready-made hunt they are going to get. So they were also happy, and they were excited a lot. Their excitement reached at the peak. So manifold means what? Excitement grew manifold means more and more. And at the prospect means future benefit. What future benefit they could have got? So it was the kill and the meal. But keeping the dogs at bay with the stick, I managed to catch hold of the baby langur's tail just as it tipped over the edge of the tile roof, and the baby appeared inert and lifeless. It was indeed a male baby. So the writer kept the dogs aside, or kept them at a distance by using the stick, and he caught the that baby langur's tail just as he tipped over the edge of the tile roof. So he managed to catch that. So to catch, once again here infinitive is there. The baby appeared inert and lifeless. How did the baby appear? It was inert. Inert means powerless, motionless. म्हणजे ते निश्चल होतं, अचल होतं, अचेतन होतं आणि लाईफलेस. जणू काही त्याच्यामध्ये जीवच राहिलेला नाही अशा पद्धतीची त्याची अवस्था झाली होती. सो इट वॉज इंडीड अ मेल बेबी, अँड ॲज एक्सपेक्टेड रायटर एक्सपेक्टेड दॅट इट इज द स्मॉल baby, it's a male baby. And by this time my parents and sister had come out on the veranda and were witnessing my rescue operation, and they were witnessing the rescue operation that the writer has or that this boy has conducted. Some of our neighbors had also gathered in the distance, so neighbors also gathered to see what the writer was doing. So what happened then? I took the baby langur to the backyard and gently laid him on the floor inside the poultry coop. The writer took the baby langur to their backyard. म्हणजे पाठीमागे घेऊन गेलं ते. Took once again in this line you have what is the tense of this sentence? Yes, exactly. It's a simple past tense. And he took the baby langur to a backyard and gently laid him on the floor inside the poultry coop. आणि त्याला त्या पोल्ट्री कूपच्या फ्लोअरवर त्याने झोपवलं असं. हिज बॉडी वॉज फुल ऑफ डीप बाईट मार्क्स अँड स्क्रॅच्ड. आणि त्याची जी बॉडी होती इट वॉज फुल ऑफ डीप बाईट मार्क्स अँड स्क्रॅच्ड. म्हणजे त्याला सगळे ओरखडे आणि ओरबाडलं होतं अतिशय अमानुषपणे. अँड द ब्लड वॉज वूझिंग फ्रॉम सम ऑफ द वुंड्स. आणि काही जखमांमधून द ब्लड वॉज वूझिंग मीन्स इट वॉज रिलीजिंग ऑर ओव्हरफ्लोईंग. अँड द बेबी रिमेन्ड मोशनलेस अँड द बेबी डिडंट मूव्ह ॲट ऑल. सो माय फादर प्रोव्हायडेड फर्स्ट एड to clean the wounds and stop the bleeding. So I was relieved to find out that the baby was breathing. So उसमें जान थी, थोड़ी बहुत जान थी. And even though his breaths were shallow, but his breaths were shallow, but it was breathing. So writer was satisfied with that also. He was relieved that yes, ये जिंदा तो है. So the splashes of the cold water made the baby stir, and after a few shaky attempts he sat up. Splashes of cold water and the baby, it stir means it moved a little bit, and he made some shaky attempts. So the baby ultimately sat up, and now he was in state of shock, and he started trembling like a leaf in the wind. He started trembling means moving, shaking, So writer compared that trembling of that baby with the leaf in the wind. जणू काही वाऱ्यामध्ये एखादं पान हलतंय, थरथरतंय, तशा पद्धतीने ते पिल्लू बिचारं ते थरथरत होतं. His two little twinkling eyes welled up with tears, and he started to sob with a muffled cry. His two little eyes, they welled up. Welled up means what? Welled up means filled up with tears. Welled up with tears, filled up with tears. Twinkling means shining eyes, and he started to sob, and that baby, it started to sob, म्हणजे हुंदके द्यायला लागला ते. And muffled cry. Now here muffled means what? Quietened or suppressed sound, just like a human child would have experiencing trauma. After experiencing the trauma, if any human child it experiences any trauma means great distress, and that time the same condition of the human baby and that baby langur was there. I offered him a peeled banana. So he offered him a peeled banana. Once again I offered him. So it's a simple past tense is there, which he accepted with his unsteady hand. Now banana, which he accepted, once again subordinate clause is added over here, and began taking hesitant bites. उसने तो banana accept किया, and he began taking hesitant bites. म्हणजे तो असं काचकूच करत किंवा uncertain action is there. So hesitant bites, he started taking off the banana. थोडंसं लाजत बुजत त्याने ते खायला सुरुवात केली. खाऊ की नको अशा अवस्थेमध्ये. My attention was fixed on the revival of the baby langur. And now, as previously writer was, he was reading the book, he was totally concentrated, but now his total attention was fixed on the revival, revival, पुनरुज्जीवन त्याचं जे आहे तर ते त्याच्यामध्ये ऑफ द बेबी लंगूर, तर त्याच्याकडे त्याचं अटेन्शन इट वॉज टोटली फिक्स्ड. सडनली, अचानकपणे, आय हॅड अन अनकॅनी फिलिंग ऑफ बीइंग वॉच्ड. Suddenly, once again here adverb is there. I had an uncanny feeling. Uncanny feeling means, somewhat a strange feeling over there. विलक्षण असे मला एक वेगळं वाटत होतं थोडंसं, की बीइंग लुक्ड अप. सो फिलिंग ऑफ बीइंग वॉच्ड, कोणीतरी माझ्यावर वॉच ठेवू नये असं वाटत होतं. सो आय टर्न्ड अवे फ्रॉम द कूप अँड लुक्ड अप. मी त्या कूपकडून असं टर्न अवे झालो, तिथनं फिरलो अँड लुक्ड अप, वर पाहिलं. देअर सॅट द मदर लंगूर ऑन द किचन रूफ वॉचिंग एव्हरी मूव आय मेड. अँड देअर वॉज the mother langur was sitting over there on the kitchen roof, and she was watching every move and every action of the writer, what he was doing. She simply sat there quietly, as if convinced that no harm was being done to her child. She was simply sitting there quietly. Now she was relaxed over there, as if she was convinced that no harm was being done to her child, as if I was doing, writer was doing something, good thing, and no harm. Her baby is safe in writer's hand. Meanwhile, the baby sensed the presence of his mother and started to sob and cry a little louder. ते sobbing करायला लागलं. It started crying. I retreated from the door of the coop to allow the mother access her baby. रिट्रीटेड म्हणजे माघार घेतली त्यांनी, थोडं मागे गेला रायटर. वाय? फ्रॉम द डोअर ऑफ द कूप. वाय? टू अलाव द मदर. टू अलाव, वन्स अगेन इन्फिनेटिव्ह फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब इज हियर. सो टू अलाव द मदर ॲक्सेस हर बेबी, सो दॅट शी कॅन ॲक्सेस दॅट बेबी इमिजिएटली. आणि तात्काळ काय झालं? द मदर डिसेंडेड ऑन द फ्लोअर ऑफ द कूप. द मदर डिसेंडेड मीन्स सी moved downwards. खाली उतरली मदर. ऑन द फ्लोअर ऑफ द कूप. ते खुराडा जो होतो त्या कूपच्या फ्लोअरवर ते उतरले. अँड पिक्ड अप द बेबी इन हर आर्म्स. अँड शी पिक्ड अप दॅट बेबी इन हर आर्म्स अँड शी गेव द बेबी अ थरू बॉडी इन्स्पेक्शन टू चेक हिज इंजुरीज अँड देन कडल्ड हिम टाइटली इन हर बॉझम. कडल्ड मीन्स हेल्ड क्लोजली इन हर बॉझम म्हणजे काय तर तिच्या मिठीमध्ये त्याला घट्ट असं आवळून घेतलं तिने. द बेबी फाउंड ग्रेट सॉलेस इन हर केअरिंग आर्म्स. द बेबी फाउंड comfort and peace in her caring arms of his mother. The mother sat still with the baby in her lap for a few minutes. She was so relaxed, so relieved. Her baby was saved by the writer. It was almost as if she was pondering over her actions and trying to figure out how she could keep the baby safe from the further assault. The mother sat still with the baby in her lap for a few minutes. So it was almost as if janu kai. So he's as if and all this added. So the clauses are added over here. So see here, if you almost, it was almost as if she was pondering over, she was thinking over deeply her options and kaha jaye aur kaha nahi, options, and tried to figure out how she could keep the baby safe from further assault, further attack. Langur. So for a few seconds the mother langur looked straight into my eyes. Even today, I cannot forget that look in her eyes, showering silent gratitude on me for saving her child. You know, animals also have emotions and feelings, and the writer and experienced that in this very moment. For a few seconds, the mother was she was looking straight. She looked straight into the writer's eyes, and even today, the writer uh, could not forget that look in her eyes. And what through her look, she was showering silent gratitude on me for saving her child. So आंखों की भी भाषा होती है ना. Everything, some emotions are reflected through the eyes also. So the gratitude, feeling of कृतज्ञतेची भावना त्या डोळ्यांमधून तिथे प्रतीत होत होती. I was overwhelmed by the emotion and the sentiment and the way she said thanks to me. The writer was overwhelmed by the emotion. रायटरला जरा भरून आलं थोडंसं. As he come to know the emotion and the sentiments and the way she said thanks to the writer. There sat the universal mother holding a stricken child in her lap. Now this mother langur, symbol of the universal mother. Universal means existing everywhere or involving everywhere. So as if she is the universal mother holding a stricken baby. Stricken means to be hit very hard or suffering. म्हणजे ते त्या बेबीला in her lap, she was holding that baby in her lap. So she became the universal mother here. Then in a flash, she jumped with the baby clinging to her belly and reached our kitchen roof. She surveyed the area for the vicious male langur and then leaped away in the direction opposite to the place of the violent encounter. Then in a flash म्हणजे एका झटक्यात तिने काय केलं, शी जम्प्ड विथ हर बेबी क्लिंगिंग टू हर बेली. द बेबी वॉज क्लिंगिंग टू हर बेली अँड शी रीच्ड ॲट द किचन रूफ. शी सर्वेड द एरिया वेअर द विशियस मीन्स इविल अँड विकेड द मेल langur where that male langur might have gone, and then she leaped away in the direction opposite to the place of the violent encounter. जिथे तो एन्काउंटर झाला होता, where that incident took place, she ran exactly opposite direction from that male langur. So the brief meeting with the mother and the baby langur convinced me that interspecies communication and mutual trust is indeed a reality. Means we do not have and should anyone strike the right chord, the relationship hums into action. So this brief meeting with that mother and the baby langur, it convinced the writer that there is we have the interspecies communication and mutual trust is indeed the reality. बस एक राईट कॉर्ड आपल्याला ती स्ट्राईक करायची असते आणि the relationship hums into action. Hums into action means it becomes active. What did the mother seems to convey to the narrator? The mother langur showed me that food was not the only means of communication between man and animal. The mother langur was telling the writer that food is not the only means of communication between the man and animal, but that there were other means of establishing a bond through trust, compassion and mutual understanding. So trust, compassion म्हणजे करुणा आपण म्हणतो त्याला, सिम्पॅथी आणि काइंडनेसची जी भावना जी आहे, ट्रस्ट आहे, विश्वास जो आहे, आणि म्युच्युअल अंडरस्टँडिंग, परस्परांमध्ये असणारं जे अंडरस्टँडिंग आहे, तर दॅट इज द थ्रू दिस ऑल्सो वी can also establish a strong bond between the man and the animal. So 55 years have passed since that day. 52 वर्ष उलटली. I am now 70 years old, but I still fondly remember that encounter of a special kind. This lesson is written by Tapan Mukherjee.